Hi guys, welcome to the sitting practice. When you're ready, take some time to get your body into a comfortable sitting or lying down position. When you deal with pain, settling into your body doesn't always feel like a very comfortable thing. It requires a lot of effort and work. So I always like to remind people if sensations are too loud, adjust your position as needed. Let the body move in some intuitive ways if you need to roll the neck out or the shoulders or any other areas of the body that feel a little bit too tense or tight. Take your time, and when you feel like you've landed and arrived, soften the gaze or close the eyes. And take the first few minutes just to let yourself and let your thoughts wander. Alright, we're just settling in. It's maybe the first time today, or the first time in a week or a month that you've really allowed yourself to just sink into the body, sink into the sensations you're feeling. Alright, let's put some parameters to the work today. With your presence and attention, try to anchor it to the breath, allowing your presence to wash over the areas of the body that interact with and move every time you take an inhale or an exhale. If having a hard time finding those sensations, exaggerate the breath. Meet yourself where you're at. Alright, another reminder here, if you are someone who having a bad pain day, or you know pain sensations are really loud for you day to day, open your eyes. Make the sensations not feel so loud internally. Alright, we're trying to just be. And like be with a capital B. Trying to find a state of presence with our current sensations. Keep bringing your attention back to a sensation in the body that is anchoring you into every breath cycle you're taking. You as the mind, simply here just to notice sensation. To hold the mind to one area of the body. See if you can find more depth to whatever sensation you're anchoring yourself to. Notice changes of sensation through this area. Can you notice more subtleties in the sensations? How can we just sit with a sensation, whether uncomfortable or comfortable, without attachment, hopefully with little judgment or no judgment in the future, just to witness. When we do sits like this, where we're trying to non-judgmentally notice a sensation, we're slowly unbraiding the body's signals of pain mixed with the emotional response of feeling that pain. Through strengthening of this mindfulness, Remembering that pain is a sensation that our brain amplifies. Doesn't always mean that there's damage to a tissue at this current moment. Doesn't mean that the pain signals are not real and that you are not feeling them, because you are, and you're feeling it, and they're valid. But through time and through a practice of mindfulness or non-judgmental attachment to sensation, we can dampen and lower those pain signals, which can make our day-to-day feel a lot easier. So sit with your breath. Try to notice sensation without judgment, without needing to react or change the sensation. And when you're ready to wrap up this practice, gently start to wiggle the head and the fingers and toes. Find some gentle movement in the body. Open the eyes if they were closed. Take in your surroundings. And know you can always come back to this work and this practice whenever you need. I hope this practice landed with you. I'll see you next time.